If you didn't have a trailer brake control, this could happen to you because you slide into the ditch and there's a Jeep coming to me. Okay. Hey guys, Adrian from Redwater Dodge. Guys, a lot of people have been asking me, well, actually my friend, so I thought I'd bring it to your attention. He doesn't have a trailer brake control in his truck and tows a camper. And, well, he tries to stop, that truck don't stop. Guys, if your vehicle doesn't have a trailer brake control, you can always add it after the fact. Most trucks, even Rams, even other makes like Dodge, or sorry, Ford and Chev and GM, they're usually already pre-wired for trailer brake controls. The good thing is it's already got the plugins in the back of the trailer, and in your dash insert where it's supposed to go, for any manufacturer, like there are Rams, of course, the Fords and all that, they're already pre-wired for trailer brake controls. So you can always add an aftermarket one or a factory one. Factory one will just plug and play right into that screen or whatever it goes into. It won't void any warranty, anything like that. You'll always have warranty on the parts and the installation, of course. If your vehicle already has it equipped, that's awesome news. You're saving yourself hundreds of dollars, and it's just already done. You have to worry about that. But why is it important to have a trailer brake control? Guys, well, think about it. You have a vehicle, say your GVWR is 14,000 pounds, whatever, but you have all that extra weight and momentum pushing on the truck and its current brakes. So you do want a trailer brake control. And the good thing is, with the aftermarket ones, factory ones, it's always nice to have, and it's a big selling feature when you go to resell a truck because people do like that, especially in Alberta. We're always towing campers, holiday trailers, fifth wheels, goosenecks, whatever it may be. You do want the extra protection, guys. So for more information on whoopsies, trailer brake controls, if you want to add one, or if a vehicle already has it equipped, you want more information on it, just give us a call, 780-942-3629.